Cutting audio files in Brisk Audio. The Cut tool in Brisk Audio allows you to cut and paste sections of your audio file. You can use it to take out unwanted parts, move sections around, or duplicate content in different positions. To begin, click on Edit in the left menu and select Cut. At the top right, select a file from the dropdown, or click Upload Audio File to load a file. On the Cut page, click and drag on the waveform to highlight the area to cut. For more precision, enter the timestamps in the Cut From and To fields. Once selected, click the Cut button to remove the section. The cut audio is added to the clipboard and can be pasted back into your file. To insert the cut content, click on the waveform to select the paste location, or enter the timestamp in the Start Pasting Clip at field. Click Paste Clip. You can paste multiple times to duplicate the same content in different locations. Always preview your edits to confirm they sound correct. When you're happy, click the Download button to save your updated audio file to your device. For more Brisk audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.